Welcome back to Smooth Auto Vibes. Today we're diving into a car that continues to win hearts with its family-friendly features, sharp design, and now, even more refinement, the 2025 Kia Carens. Whether you're a fan of road trips, need a spacious ride for your family, or just love value-packed vehicles, the new Carens deserves a closer look. At first glance, the 2025 Carens keeps the same striking silhouette we've come to appreciate, but look a little closer and you'll notice subtle upgrades. The front grille now carries Kia's updated signature design, flanked by sleeker LED headlamps and a redesigned bumper. It's not overly aggressive, but it definitely looks more premium, more mature. Kia has also added new dual-tone color options and stylish alloy wheels, making sure this MPV stands out even in a crowd. Step inside, and things get really interesting. The 2025 Carens continues to offer a roomy cabin, with a layout that's designed for comfort and versatility. Whether you go for the 6-seater with captain seats or the 7-seater version, the experience is all about space optimization. The dashboard has been refreshed with soft-touch materials, and the overall layout feels less busy, more calming. The centerpiece is now a larger, 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system that's smooth to operate and packed with features like wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Another nice touch is the fully digital instrument cluster, which now offers custom display modes depending on your drive mode. Yes, the Carens now has drive modes: Eco, Normal, and Sport. This brings a more dynamic feel behind the wheel, depending on whether you're cruising through city streets or hitting the highway. Now let's talk about what's under the hood. Kia offers the 2025 Carens with 3 engine options: a 1.5L naturally aspirated petrol, a 1.5L turbo petrol, and the proven 1.5L CRDI diesel. But the big update this year is the improved 7-speed DCT gearbox that now shifts more smoothly, especially when paired with the 1.5L turbo. It's refined, quick to respond, and adds a new layer of comfort to daily drives. Fuel efficiency remains strong across all variants. The turbo petrol DCT delivers a solid balance between performance and mileage. Expect anywhere between 17 to 19 km/h depending on how you drive. For long-distance travelers, the diesel engine continues to be a popular pick for its torquey performance and economy. Kia hasn't compromised on safety either. The 2025 Carens comes with 6 airbags as standard across all variants. You also get electronic stability control, hill start assist, a tire pressure monitoring system, and rear parking sensors. Top variants add a 360-degree camera and front parking sensors, giving you peace of mind while navigating tight spaces. Practicality remains the Carens' strong suit. You get lots of thoughtful storage areas, rear AC vents for all 3 rows, USB-C charging ports, and even a cooled glove box. The third row, often a compromise in other MPVs, is surprisingly usable here. Adults can manage short trips without feeling cramped. Plus, boot space with the third row up is still respectable, and folding them down opens up enough room for big luggage. The 2025 Carens isn't trying to be flashy or overly sporty. What it does deliver is real-world usability with just the right touch of style and innovation. For families looking for a feature-rich, value-for-money car that doesn't feel like a compromise, this one continues to be a smart pick. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to Smooth Auto Vibes for more real-world car insights and smooth automotive storytelling. Until next time, drive safe and stay smooth.